Paw Patrol will be there on the double.
Welcome to Paw Patrol Academy. The pups have some exciting games to play with you. Yay! Coloring! Dancing! Shapes! Letter construction! Numbers! Spelling!
Paw
Patrol! Pups, look who it is! It's Mr. Postman! He's here!
Delivery!
I wonder who sent us something! I'm so excited!
One packet for the Paw Patrol. Here you go!
To the sweetest pups I know, happy Valentine's Day. I hope your day is filled with happiness, Katie. It's a new ABC's word. Wow. Aw, that's so sweet. How nice. Love.
No!
Let's... L. O. V. E. Love. Love is a strong feeling of happiness or care for a person or thing. You can show your love for people by giving hugs, being kind, and telling them how you feel. I love my Paw Patrol family. Welcome back, pups. Who's ready? Let's do this. Ready, set, dance! Do you want to color with me? Hey dude, welcome to my beachside art gallery. Are you ready to make some possum art? Zuma, that's me. Tan. Black. Pink. Blue. Green. That's so cool! Nice job! Someone's calling! Farmer Al's sheep have gotten loose. Help Chase return them to the trailer.
I've spotted 4 sheep in this pasture. When you find one, tap on it and send it down to my trailer.
Roar! Megaphone! That's it, Sheepy. You're headed the right way. That's it, Sheepy. You're headed the right... Just a bit further. We're almost to... Huh? That's it, Sheepy. You're headed the right way. One down, 3 to go. Only 2 more. Almost done. Huh? 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 That's not the way to farm up. Nice work, Chase. Welcome back, pups. Letters to construct. Hey there. Welcome to letter construction. R. Use the crane to put the letter together. R. Nice job.
and run.
Oh no!
Humdinger did it again. He N-U-N. Run. Great job. Run starts with R.
Thanks for giving me a hand on the farm, Marshall. It's getting chilly, so we gotta get some of these sheep into their sweaters.
I'm fired up. All right, you chilly sheep. Follow me. Follow the leader.
Nice work.
Time to warm up and get those sweaters on. Great job, Marshall.
All right, what's next?
It's time for some of the animals to eat. Can you bring these animals to me?
No problem. All right, you hungry sheep. Follow me. Follow me. Follow me.
Well done.